this is what we really love doing at the JW Marriott Sahar, and we very strongly believe in the culinary cultures and traditions, connecting with the lesser known, going to the roots, and this time we're heading towards the Himalayan ranges in the foothills in Garhwal. So excited, aren't you, Chef?
Yes, of course. Food from Garhwal is from the soul. What I have seen is very less is known and spoken about the food from Garhwal. We from JW Sahar with our team head back to the Himalayas, live with those people and bring back all the culinary nuances of Garhwali cuisine back to you. Devbhoomi, as the locals would love to call this place, Garhwal, the land of natural beauty, abundant fresh air, beautiful scenic beauty as you can see behind me, and lovely food. I spent some formative years of my career in this place, and eventually I fell in love with the ingredients and the style of cooking that these people have to offer. Less is known. In fact, very less is known about the food of Garhwal. You would hardly come across people talking about dishes from Garhwal. And in my heart somewhere, it always left behind that I need to come back to this place, to this land, take the ingredients, take the recipes from the homes of the locals and give it back to the cities. Over the next 2 days, I will be living with the locals. I'll be cooking with them in their kitchens, doing everything that is required to bring back the flavors. And I'll be bringing back these recipes to you in Mumbai. Today we are at the house of Mr. Surinder Singh, and we are at Bhatoli village in Garhwal, and we'll be doing a few interesting dishes along with their family. So the first dish that we are making is a saag, is a curry made out of stinging nettle. We will just put this thing in the fire so that all the stings, all the thorns which can create itchiness on your skin if you touch it will get burnt out. As you can see, there is a lot of corn hanging on top of my head. This is basically a method of preservation, air drying. Corn is plucked and then it is being hung for a lot of air circulation which happens in this room, and it is dried. This is also a method to combat the harshest winters. The corn is ground and it is being used to make rotis and breads, which is a staple. We have arrived in Bale village, which is much higher than the village where we came from, down there from the valley, Bhatoli village. We have driven up around 20 kilometers in the mountains, and there is much more to see here. There's a special technique of preservation of meat that we are going to see right now. So this, as I can see, is the whole leg of lamb, which has been sacrificed on the 13th of January, which is on the arrival of the festival which they call Maroch. But as I can see, this is predominantly a method of preservation. कैसे?
तो बना दो इसमें, 20 से
इसको भी और
200।
अच्छा ठीक. Quite nice, juicy and succulent. I can also taste the smell of smoke just with the salt, nothing else in it, and it's really delicious. We are at Lagwal Gaon in Garhwal today, and I am at the house of Roshni. Today we'll be learning Gahat ka paratha. Gahat is a kind of lentil which will be stuffed inside a dough bread. इतना बस है? It seems delicious. It looks beautiful. Let me taste it. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. It is yummy. I am on the bank of River Aglad, which is down in the valley, and here I am trying to prepare a fish dish, a preparation fish curry, which is from the live fresh catch of fish. The smell is nice. Nice and delicious. I can smell the local herbs. There's a special herb called timru, and it has imparted a distinct flavor to the dish. ये तोर, ये बेसिकली दाल ही है, दाल की वैरायटी. और ये मास, ये राजमे के जैसा लग रहा है, उड़द के जैसा. अच्छा. This is the local basmati from Dehradun, and Dehradun is known to produce one of the best basmati rice that you can ever get. The last 3 days have been exciting, and we have had a lot of food to explore. I think the flavors are unique. Everything comes out so different when you eat it here. And the best part about it is hospitality, the warm, hospitable people around. And that's what makes the food so special.